Alright, good morning, y'all. It's currently Friday morning. We out here on Larricoon once again. It's a bit windy this morning, so I decided to land over here on the tournament side and see if we can try to go after some stripers, you know, or some largemouth like we did in the previous video. If you guys haven't watched it, make sure you go watch it. So it's much cooler in the morning right now. It's probably like 75 degrees. I don't know what the water temperature is. The last time we was here, it was 80 degrees. So now it's probably like high 70s. But we're gonna go out here, see what we can catch. Better being at work, I can tell you that. So, turn you guys back on when we get to the spot. Let's get it. Too. It's a big one. Got freaking water in the boat right now. It's giant. Good fish. Got me freaking way up there though. Just fight him slowly. It's a big one, you guys. It's definitely a big one. Make sure my net's ready. He's still way out there, you guys. Oh, here he comes. Ooh-wee. That is a beauty. Wants to dive. Get the net ready right here. Okay, buddy. Come on. We can't have two right now because we lost one. Come on, somebody just come and thrash it. Right here, man. Look at that. It's unbelievable. I'm guessing they over there too. There's freaking 5 boats in a circle over there. Ain't no boats around me. Swinging him. I'm swinging him, you guys. I'm swinging him. Swinging him. It's the perfect size we want, too. Okay, relax, buddy. here. Typically the ones that will get a trouble in their hand. That's 2. That's number 2, you guys. I feel them hitting it as it drops. Are they gonna complete the test? See, they won't do it. They just will not do it. When I tell y'all, the mother lode of all stripers is literally right here. They're probably down all the way down this stretch, since everybody else is up there. Just gotta get one to commit. Commitment is the key. Gotta find the one that commits. Or you gotta trigger it. All I'm doing is following my waypoints from last week. Trying to see if we can. There he is. Okay, that time I dragged it with the boat. I'll lift him up too. Lift up all these fish. Oh, he's a good size one. He ain't a big one. He ain't a big one by any means, but he's a good size one. Relax, buddy. Come here. Here's a good evening size right here, guys. Alright, calm down. Relax, buddy. Relax. Oh boy, come on. See, that's the key about changing these treble hooks on these spoons. Let's see it. It's number 3. 2 more. Get it done. Good one. That's a good one. Yeah, he's running. That's a good one. That's a big one. He's running like that. That's a big one, guys. Giant. Trying to take me out of damn 60 foot of water. Oh no, no, he's way out there. What the hell did I catch? A tuna? Let's run. Way out there, but he's on top of the water, so I'm just gonna reel him in. Oh boy, he's still got some fight in him. Thought he got off for a second. Come on, come here, baby. Come in the boat, baby. Nice and easy. Nice. Where's my net? Goddamn water in the boat. Come here. Oh, why you gotta go over here. Come on. Baby. It's number 4. Whew. wasn't going anywhere. Got him good too. That's it. It's a beautiful one. It's number 4. Let's see if we can catch one more. That was a good one. Knowing how hard it is to get a bite right now. Like, I'm trying everything, guys. You see what I'm doing. Changing my techniques. Go. Got that time. Stay on. Stay on this time. Oh, it's a good one too. Stay on. Okay. You wanna fight? Let's fight. Let's fight. Come on. I ain't even worried about the control motor right now. Stay on. Oh boy. Come here. Get the net ready. Still wants to fight. Fighting it. Oh. Number 5. Alright, that's our limit, guys. Oh. Number 5. It's a hard one to get. Tell you that, boy. We had to work for number 5. Y'all see it? Man, you can't beat that. Alright, y'all. That's number 5. Let's call it. You can see down there. There's 5 of them. Whew. If you guys like what you see, there will be more videos like this coming out.